Hi everyone, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Welcome to my channel. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Today I'm participating in a Trash to Treasure Christmas gift challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul of Happily Thriving Heidi and Yelena from the Blondie next door. If you haven't seen their channels yet, please go and check them out. They do a bunch of great things on their channels. I'll have their channel links and the playlist link in the description box below. Heidi and Yelena challenged us to take something that was someone else's trash and make it into a treasure, a Christmas gift that we would be proud to give to someone for Christmas this year. I found this wooden box at a thrift store quite a while ago and it was $6.99. It's got some embellishment on it, it's got some penciled patterns on it like someone was going to be doing something with it, but I'm going to take my Rust-Oleum Country Grey chalk paint and give it one good coat. I only painted the outside of the box because I want to take this buffalo check plaid fabric and line the interior of the box with it. I'm going to take some measurements and then cut out the pieces for all of the walls and the bottom of the box. Next, I took some Mod Podge and covered the bottom of the box first and then applied the fabric. And then I'll repeat those steps for all the rest of the pieces. Here's the inside of the box. I'm also going to take my sanding block and sand the edges of the box to give it a distressed look. I want to make this a memory box, so I'm taking my oil-based Craft Smart pen and freehanding the word memories across the top of the box. When I do my freehanding, I usually just do the first outline and then I go back and fill in the spots that I want thicker and make it a little bit more fancy. I don't have a Cricut machine and I don't know that I'll ever invest in one, so I just try to practice with my letters and try and use different fonts that I find on the internet. I also wanted to add something a little bit more to it. So I've got this flower stencil and I'm going to use my pencil and outline some flowers, and I'm just going to go along the left-hand side of the box. This is the front side of the box, and then I'm going to transfer it onto the lid as well. Using my white oil-based paint pen, I'm just going to go ahead and outline the flowers and then fill them in. I thought about using different colors for the flowers, but I want this to have more of a farmhouse vibe, so I decided to stick with the white paint, and I'm going to do the flowers and the leaves and the stem all in white. I like the way this looked, but I thought it needed just a little bit of an extra touch, so I'm just going to put a few flowers, just the flowers themselves, and a leaf in a couple of spots, and then I'm also going to just draw in some loose petals. I'd love to hear how you would decorate a box like this. Let me know in the comments box below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching!